All right, here we are, Royal Oak, Michigan. What is happening with our real estate market? Today is February 1st. It's 2023. Let's take a quick look at what's gone on with the numbers and see if we can explain it. All right, so let's start out looking at some data that's backwards looking. I hate that. So January 2023, average sales price for a home here was $347,936. That is fantastic. If you compare it to what the average sales price for just the month of December of 2022, which was at $322 and some change, you can see just how dynamic this market is. It's especially exciting when you consider that this time of the year, we're normally at a seasonally adjusted low, right? Normally in the wintertime, our prices are selling for a fair bit below what they sell for in the summer. And normally the low point ends up hitting in February. So having seen not just an increase, but a significant increase from December to January, I think it's pretty telling of what's actually happening in our market right now. So if you look last year, between the drastic interest rates happening, the fears of recession, all of the things that were going on in our world that caused this fear, it caused people to pause. We had a lot of people who were talking about waiting for some real estate crash. I don't think it's coming. I don't think we're going to have anything like that. Yeah, our current prices are down from the high water mark of last spring, early summer, which is what we get every year. What I'm expecting is that by the time we hit June, you're going to see average prices that are still increased above last June. Yeah, they're going to keep on moving. And I'll tell you what, if our interest rates go down even lower, if we get into the high fives, which I've heard a number of people predict, at that point, you're going to see some stiff competition in the buying world. You're going to see everyone jumping off the fence, trying to get in and beat the market. Our prices will continue to go up. I have no doubt about that. Anyway, I'll keep watching them and I'll let you know what's happening. One of the numbers that's really driving my belief in these increasing prices is a statistic that we watch called the month's supply, right? This is how long would it take to sell all of the homes on the market at our current pace if nothing else were to change. Right now we have a 0.9 months supply. Like, that is ridiculously low. We saw this same thing about a year ago when prices started zooming up. This is a tighter supply than we had even last summer when the prices were higher. Historically, when we see a 1.5 or lower, our prices are going up drastically. So to be that far below it really makes me think that we're going to start seeing some big changes price-wise and in a positive direction. Positive if you're a seller. Obviously, as a buyer, you always want the prices to be lower. You're always wishing you would have bought at the last downturn, whenever it was. But the reality is, I've been through a couple of downturns. No one likes buying during a downturn. No one jumps on board and likes to ride those prices down. Everyone likes to jump in when the prices are shooting up. It's a lot more fun to say, hey, I bought a house and now it's worth an extra 20 grand. Well, that's what happened to people who bought in December. This is what could happen to you if you get ahead of these next couple of months and beat out the seasonal rush. Anyway, if you have any questions about how this market is working, how it might affect you, how can you get in and take advantage of some of the great buying programs that are out there right now, feel free to reach out. Go ahead and message me, or you can call me. I put my number in the comments below. Either way, hope you have a fantastic February, and I will talk to you soon.